Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to buy Betway voucher using the standard bank app. To begin, go to your home screen and select buy and next select voucher from the list prepaid service. Now select the type of voucher you would be like, and to buy the list voucher choose your able voucher from the list available, travel and complete the name and email address and the person who you want to do this voucher to be sent. You must accept the term and condition, proceed and tap the link open to read upper standard pack term and condition. When you are ready to select a review, check everything one at last time and then select confirm. All done. Your Uber voucher has been successfully sent. However, scroll down and tap on redemption instruction to see how to redeem voucher and redeem instruction and select back around. When you don't finally select to return the prepaid service screen. And guys, this video helpful for you. Thanks for watching. See you on another video soon.